Sahil Saman. I'm from GA24 batch. Today I have witnessed a workshop hosted by the great mentor Gabriel Banerjee. The workshop was based on how to overcome the obstacles of your life. Basically, the basic takeaway from these workshops were how to first understand the obstacles, then formulate the basic steps towards overcoming it, and this could be used in a personal as well as a professional life. I would like to thank Welingkar for organizing such a great event. Thank you so much.